Good morning, everyone. Today in math we will be learning about symbols: greater than, less than, and equal. You will need a pencil, rubber, piece of paper. Don't forget to write the date on the right side and your LI. Pause the video to write your LI. LI to use math symbols and such as greater than, less than, and equal. I will show you the symbol first in a very nice way. Here we go. I have this symbol that we use in maths to show us the values of numbers. This symbol, if we imagine it as an alligator mouth, it's always open towards the big thing. Why? Because he likes to eat big things and he always ignores the small bits. So this big mouth always open towards the big things. Let's practice this. I have number 3 and I have number 1. Where do you think I should number 3 and 1? Number 1 is small, so smaller than 3. And 3 is in the big box. Why? Because 3 is greater than 1. And 1 is less than 3. The value of 3 is bigger than 1. And the value of 1 is less than 3. I have a few tasks for us to do now. Here we go. I have numbers here. I have 5 and 10. Where do you think I should put the mouth? Towards which number? Of course, towards 10, because 10 is greater than 5. And 5 is less than 10. So this is the mouth is going to be towards opening towards 10, sorry. And here we have 6 and 9. 9 is greater than 6. 6 is less than 9. 1 and 2. So 2 would be greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1 and 1 is less than 2. So we put the mouth opened towards 2. And here we go. We have 3 and 7. So where are we going to put the mouth open towards which number? Which one is bigger? Oh, 7, yes. So 7 is greater than 3. 3 is less than 7. And now we will learn about using equal. Equal, we use it when we have equation like 1 plus 1 equals 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. This is the way how we write equal. 3 take away 1 equals 2. Now the equation makes sense. Now I have a few objects and I want still to use the symbol greater than or less than, or we can say bigger than, smaller than. Bigger and, house and door. House is bigger than door. So the alligator is going to eat the house. Car and apple. Of course, car is bigger than apple. Pencil and book. Book is bigger. And here we go. We have 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, or 1 millimeter. Do you remember? 1 centimeter there is 10 millimeter in 1 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have here, this is our 1 centimeter and this is our 1 millimeter. So which one is bigger? Of course, centimeter is bigger than 1 millimeter. 1 centimeter is bigger than 1 millimeter. Now I have task for you. Please do your task because it's easy, it's not very hard. Your task is choose numbers between 1 to 10 to show greater than, smaller than, and equal. So you will do just the way I did, choosing numbers between 1 and 10 and show me which one is bigger. Any numbers you like between 1 and 10, please. Thank you very much for your listening. I hope you learned how to use symbol greater than, less than, and equal. Please don't forget to send your work by email to year 3 email. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.